Want to save hundreds of dollars on groceries? Start before you even walk into the store. When it comes to healthy living, shopping is one of the most important skills you can build. Whether you're using a meal kit service, ordering groceries for delivery, doing curbside pickup, or walking the aisles yourself, how you shop directly impacts your health and your wallet. You might already be doing a few of these habits we're going to be talking about, but the magic happens when you turn them into a system. When these become your weekly rhythm, you'll start saving money and feeling more in control of your food choices. Let's kick off week 1 with 4 simple habits you can start before you even set foot in the store. These 4 habits will help you spend less, waste less, and walk into the store with a plan that saves you real money. Fridge clean out. Once a week, do a quick fridge clean out. First, take out all the containers of old forgotten food. This helps you see what you need, what needs to be used up, and what you already have. This keeps you from buying extras and helps you with your plan as you start writing out your list. The less food you toss, the more money you keep. Even using up one extra item a week can add up to hundreds over the course of a year. Freezer treasure hunt. Freezers are where good ingredients go to die. Once something goes into the deep freeze, we seem to forget all about it. To save money, let's try doing a freezer treasure hunt once a week. Pick just one forgotten item. Maybe soup you froze a month ago, or a pack of ground chicken, and build a meal around it. That saves you from buying a dinner's worth of ingredients. That could add up to $5, maybe $20 right back in your pocket. And bonus, cleaning out your freezer makes it easier to use what you already have next time. Backup meals. Have a few easy backup meals ready to go for when life doesn't go to plan. Think salmon burgers and a side, frozen ravioli with chicken sausage and a veggie side, or frozen broccoli and a pizza. Quick meals you can put together without much effort. That way, when you're tired, short on groceries, or tempted to give up and order takeout, you've got a plan. A $5 to $10 backup meal is going to beat $40 spent on takeout any night. Need ideas? We'll look below for a link to a list of our favorite backup meals. Meal plan. Planning your meals for the week is one of the most powerful ways to save money. When you know what you're cooking, you're less likely to impulse buy or end up with a cart full of ingredients that don't go together. Theme nights like Meatless Monday or Taco Tuesday make planning easier, faster, and a little bit more fun. Sticking to a plan also helps you use ingredients across multiple meals and avoids that what's for dinner panic that leads to the drive-through. We've got a whole series on meal planning to walk you through how to do this step by step, but if you want a shortcut, you can try a service like e-meals. It gives you meal ideas, builds the grocery list for you, and even connects to grocery pickup or delivery. It's an easy way to save time and stick to your budget without reinventing the wheel. You don't have to do all 4 habits at once. Just pick one to start with and give it a try this week. So for challenge number 1, pick a regular time to clean out your fridge, maybe Saturday morning before you plan out your meals. Challenge number 2, when you write a meal plan this week, include one freezer treasure chest night where you build a dinner around something you already have. The goal isn't perfection, it's starting to build a rhythm that saves you time, money, and stress. And remember, you don't have to figure this out alone. Your dietitian is here to help you personalize these strategies and troubleshoot what's not working. So bring your ideas, bring your concerns, and let's build a shopping system that actually fits your life.